Good evening, guys. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. So even Bank Nifty looks bullish, but in a weaker way. It's not that strong as Nifty. If you notice, since 1st October, you can see that here. Since 1st October, Bank Nifty is struck in this range. This range. This is the range that Bank Nifty got struck since 4th of October. I shouldn't say 1st, but 4th of October. You can clearly drag it a little bit longer. You can see that this is the range of Bank Nifty for the past couple of weeks. So now you can see that this is the channel that Bank Nifty is respecting as of now. And now let's see if there is any other way to interpret this market, because we are looking for probabilities and possibilities. So yes, we can identify some sort of breakout at this level, even within the channel. Use these triangles to identify the levels that can be broken or the trends that can be broken. And if anyone tells you that trend lines are not that great to rely on and they can be broken at any point of time, yes, even support and resistance are supposed to be broken, and even fundamentalists are supposed to be lose money. So as I always say, there is no particular way to interpret the market. It's up to you to choose your path and your strategy in the market. Just use confluence. Use 3 to 4 types of analysis, so that that particular level that you're thinking where the reversal of the price can happen will have a strong hold of what your analysis about on your analysis, strong hold on your analysis. So now here you can see that this particular level is acting this trend line here and this trend line here. So for tomorrow, what we can expect is, if there is a gap up opening, let's assume there is a gap up opening, or we will find another, we'll have a pitchfork. Wait, let's have a pitchfork. Yes, even on pitchfork it's too weak. And let's see in another way. Okay, yes, it is under the median. There is a possibility that it might break this level or this level. Yes, there is a possibility. When you can see like this, it is possible that we can have a breakout or breakdown tomorrow, that's for sure. And if there is a breakdown, this is what I'm expecting here. This level is what I'm expecting on the downside. And if it breaks this level as well, this is what the level that you're going to see. So yes, we don't need pitchfork. It's very much clear. It's very much clear. We don't need pitchfork here. So now, what are the possibilities? So let's go for possibilities. So now, if at all market opens within this, symmetrical triangle, wait until this area is touched. There is a possibility that price could come down to this level again, and maybe it will break from here. Or there is a possibility that price could open, gap up open, and start moving up like this and retest this level that is being rejected for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times so far, and could take away to this particular area here, this particular area, 38,300, 38,350 or something, not more than that. So now this is the possibility for gap up. Now, what are the possibilities of flat opening? The possibilities of flat opening are like this, the same way. There you go, possibilities like this, and a rejection again, and then come back down or break down a little bit lower. Okay. And the levels, I will give you the levels in the, let's not talk about the levels. I'll give you the levels in the channel. And I'm only talking about probabilities. If there is a gap down of this particular level, that is 37,673, if there is a gap down of this level, trust me, it is right away heading to this point. There might be a little bit of wait. There might be a little bit of, confusion at this level. It might retrace a little bit, or consolidate a little while at this point. Let me show you. It might come down like this and consolidate here like this, and then maybe fall. This is what I am expecting. Okay, so we have discussed the possibilities of flat opening, gap up opening, and gap down opening. Now, all you need to do is draw the same thing on your chart. This is a 15 minutes chart. You don't even go and search for 1 hour, because no matter what, the channel is going to be the same channel. It's the same channel. There's nothing that you can see here. Okay, it will be the same as you can see in the 15-minute. So now you can draw the same way on your charts and practice this. So all you need to do is, analyzing is very simple. Draw your patterns, draw your chart patterns, and see what happens if there is a gap up. What is the level that is being restricted? This is the level that is being restricted. This is the level. So obviously, if you see a gap up above this level, there is a possibility that the price might come down like this here, if you see, or there is a possibility that if the first 15 minutes is holding above this line, as there is a possibility for this kind of pattern on this day, okay, or else a push. And what happens if there is a gap down? It might come down. That definitely it might come down. Or within this area, flat opening, it might play within this symmetrical triangle and may give a breakout or breakdown. This, see, market is very simple. All you need to do is keep it simple and analyze in a simple way. The only toughest part in the market is sticking to your strategy instead of listening to someone else. Thank you, guys. And I'm going to post the levels in the channel now. Good night.